Don't compare yourself with others. You have your own abilities, yaar. You have your qualities. You have your own capacities. But there is only one thing you need is to polish yourself. Is to polish your qualities. Is to polish your abilities, yeah. Never compare yourself with the person who is on high grade. Just compare as a work. He did a lot, but you did a few. He did a lot, he served a lot, he faced a lot, but you faced nothing yet. Just compare by this parameter. Now compare that he's at the age of 40, person of at the age of 40 he's the GM, but I am nothing. I'm just student. I should be GM this time at 20 years old. 20 years old he was also student, but this time 20 years old you are as also student. How you should think, yaar? You should not compare. Just believe yourself and recognize your abilities. Polish yourself, polish your ability, and recognize what sort of extraordinary thing you can. What's new you can form. What's new you can discover. What's new you can invent. What's new you can bring. What's the change you can you will bring. What's the modification in the field you will change, you will get, you will bring. You should think like, you should not think he is doing that, I should doing that. He is doing this, I should doing this. He is doing like it and doing same. No. He was a person of that quality. I'm a person of my quality. You are a person of your quality. How you can compare with me? How I can compare with you? He is speaking English with hard work, but this time I can also, but with the work. He is doing right, but I'm doing wrong, but with the tries, with the attempts, I will do right. This is the thing. Just recognize yourself. Stand before the mirror and say to yourself, you are something exceptional. Say to yourself, you are worthy. You are keep in mind Allah Almighty has created nothing that is nothing. Allah Almighty created everything with worth, with value. Everything is valuable in this world. It is the world of Allah Almighty, and Allah Almighty, who is only one, who has created each and everything that is valuable, who has created nothing that is wasted. Allah Almighty has created everything with value, with quality, with capacity, with eligibility, with competency. Now it's your choice how you can polish yourself, how you can make yourself capable, how you can make yourself eligible to do something special, to change, to bring change in the field, to bring change, to make you live forever, to bring change, to make you live after death. You are here as a person, but if you do something special, if you do something remarkable and exceptional, you would be called personality. Keep in mind. Just say to yourself and recognize your qualities, yaar. Never compare with anyone. Never compare. He is successful in his field and you would be successful in your field. Wherever you are, just trust in yourself, believe in Allah Almighty, and do the best. What is the best? You will think about. What is the right? You will think about. What is the right track? You will plan about. This is the thing I want to state. Believe in yourself. Believe in Allah Almighty. Don't compare to others. Don't compare your value to other. Don't compare your capacity to other. As you have your own quality, he or she has his or her own quality. That's why I want to state, polish yourself and your quality should come out with new discoveries, with new inventions. I hope you will promise with me and with your words, with your consciousness. Thank you.